Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to look at the Fluidmaster 502 adjustable flapper. So this is Fluidmaster's universal flapper. Now, just to give you an idea, the old flappers, a lot of times the rubber is going to get really hard and brittle, turn almost black. When you touch it, you'll get the black stuff off on your hands. There will be a bar at the bottom of your tank where the old flapper is setting, and it goes so it will set over the actual pipe that goes down into your bowl, and that bar is going to be setting right here. And if you look, you have little teeth here. All you're going to do is reach down, grab a hold of it, and pop that loose. When you pop it loose, undo the chain that goes to your handle. Pull that old piece out, put the new one, say this one, into its place. Force these down onto the little bar, reconnect your chain. Now, this being universal is very interesting because it'll have a dial from a minimum of 1 to maximum of 9. You'll keep adjusting it and playing with it till you get it exactly where you want it so that it stays open long enough to flush your bowl and close and start filling your tank. So there you go, guys. It's really simple to replace these, and you can't go wrong with Fluidmaster. They've been around a long time, and they make very high quality parts to replace toilet parts that are wore out on your toilet. So do yourself a favor and get yourself the 502 universal flapper that's adjustable, made by Fluidmaster. You won't regret it. We'll see you guys on the next one.